Welcome to Melaleuca Shopping Club. Come with me on a tour of our shop. When you signed up with Melaleuca Shop, you included a backup order. This is a full backup order if you're away or forget your monthly order. You'll also need to open your online account and place your first order. You'll be changing your shopping habits from walking the centre aisles of the supermarket to shopping the centre aisles from home or work with your order delivered to the door, just like in Grandma's day. Start by opening your favourite web browser, Firefox, Safari, Google Chrome, etc. We use Firefox because it's not a commercial product and you can block tracking. So log in to melaleuca.com. When you first log in, the main screen will look like this. Later, when you have a moment, check out the health, environment and ingredient philosophies of Melaleuca. It'll help you understand what the company is all about. First, check here at top right and select Australia. This will take you to the Australian store. Now click Create Your Online Account to the right. Later on, you will just click the Sign In button. This takes you to the Sign In page where you add the phone number that you gave on your sign up form. You will receive an email with instructions to create your own secure password. Now you're ready to go shopping. Click the Sign In button and you will be taken to the Member Sign In page. There's plenty of help available. Phone help is prompt and excellent. Sign in and enter the shop. Browse the first page for specials, popular regular products, no surprises here, and bundles. This bar is where all the products are displayed, laid in categories like your supermarket aisles. Browse each category and subcategory in turn to get a feel for the range. In the nutrition aisle, you'll find supplements and vitamins to replace all your expensive chemist lines with superior equivalents. Specialty supplements, either individual or special purpose packs, are available for a range of support including heart, digestion, bone and joint health, eye health for macular degeneration, and prostate support. Check them out. Food and weight loss includes sugar-free drinks and mints, low-carb bars and snacks. Melaleuca herbal tea is healthy and beneficial for lots of conditions. Sports and nutrition includes protein shakes and the unique Access exercise bars to release energy during exercise. They really work. The medicine cabinet includes sunscreen, first aid, cold relief, it's excellent, renews intensive skin moisturiser, everybody's favourite, and for those with teenagers an excellent acne care range. Essential oils are all pure distilled oils. You'll find oils such as frankincense here that you won't find anywhere else. Moving to household, you'll find all your super concentrated laundry and kitchen non-toxic dishwasher products. No rinse aid required. A huge range of excellent non-toxic household cleaners and non-toxic natural pet shampoo at half price of the pet shop. In the bath and body aisle, you'll find beautiful soaps, body and hand washes, shampoos and conditioners, toothpaste, dental floss, mouth rinse with natural ingredients, and much more. Finally, the beauty aisle includes a range of high-quality cosmetics and skincare that are the equal of department store cosmetics at very competitive prices. There's lots more to explain, including releasing your reward points and much more that we'll talk about in upcoming videos. Wishing you blue skies. Join me in the next video.